Just a, just a bird. Bird. Oh, there are three. Oh, so cute. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I don't cut here. I leave this branch. I continue cut the others around. Look, they are so beautiful. There are three. No, I don't touch you, okay? Okay, continue sleep. Oh. They are so beautiful. So I leave the nest of bird. So I continue cut, and the other side I cut also, but I leave this branch for the bird. And maybe next time when the bird become big and left the nest, I will cut. Okay, now it's on this side. I start cutting on this side. So I leave the nest. Okay, the other side. I cut with with this. Okay, so that no noise. Okay, like this now. I will cut later. Now, okay, for 1 or 2 weeks, I leave it. Okay, when the baby grow up and fly away, I will leave the nest. I will cut. Okay, bye.